Despite the global recession caused by COVID-19, China became the only economy in the world with positive growth in 2020. As 2021 marks the start of China's 14th five-year plan, its economic performance will continue to draw global attention. China's key economic indicators, including consumption, investment, import, exports, showed a sizable year-on-year growth according to data from the National Bureau of Statistics of China released on March 15th. China's Value-Added Industrial Output Index of Services Production, total retail sales of consumer goods and investment in fixed assets went up by 35.1%, 31.1%, 33.8%, and 35% respectively. The figures once again prove China's sound recovery momentum. So why China's economy can rebound with growth in 2021? China has quickly adopted science-based and efficient measures to control sporadic COVID-19 cases that appeared since the beginning of 2021. During the Chinese New Year's, many places around the country called on residents to stay put, which had curbed the spread of the disease. As more workers remained in places where they work, they resumed work quickly after the holidays. The country's efforts to recover social order, create more jobs, and boost consumer spending have driven domestic economic growth as well. The Chinese government has maintained the resumption of work and production, particularly rendered stronger support to small and medium-sized enterprises. The country expanded supply for the domestic market, gave full play to the role of domestic demand in sustaining growth, and fostered a new development paradigm with domestic and international circulations reinforcing each other. China implemented a proactive fiscal policy, allocated more funds to local governments, and issued over 1 trillion yuan of government funds for COVID-19 control. As the pandemic worldwide showed signs of easing, the manufacturing sector, climate index, of major economies in the world began to return. China also sees a rise on exports. According to the General Administration of Customs, China's total exports in the first 2 months of the year soared 60.6% year-on-year to $468.87 billion, making up 18% of all global exports. The country vigorously created new forms and models of business and cultivated new growth drivers. Statistics of the NBS showed that the value added of high-tech manufacturing realized an average 2-year growth of 13%. The digital economy played a crucial role amid the anti-pandemic battle, with online services, digital transformation of industries, and sharing economy becoming the new engines for economic growth. The economic statistics prove China's undoubted capability in economic recovery. During this year's 2 sessions, Beijing sets its yearly GDP growth rate at over 6%, which is a relatively stable goal reflecting the country's confidence in economic growth and pursuing high-quality development.